Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to talk about Ethereum. We're going to look at Ethereum versus the US dollar and also Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We're going to see if we can project where prices could be headed, the price action for the next few days and few weeks and maybe a few months. And then we're also going to look at what to watch for in the coming days, and especially for the weekly closes this Sunday and a few days from now. So let's see if we can learn something. That's what we focus on this channel. Less hype, more facts, and more learning. So if you like that, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon. All linked in the description below. So Ethereum is current number 2. We're approaching a $250 billion market cap. So it's up 5% on the day. We're doing quite well so far, just over $2,000 now. So let's go ahead and start Ethereum Bitcoin valuation. Going back to September of 2019, we have our trend line on top here. The more touch points and the higher time frame, the stronger the trend. Look how many touch points on a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. 4 touch points back here, another one here, another one here, another one here, and more here. This is a strong top end. So if we come back up to this line, you could be fairly certain that there's going to be some resistance there. This is on Ethereum Bitcoin, keep in mind. Now look at the candle we are currently working on here. This is this week's candle. If we close above this, historically speaking, it's been great news. Look back the last time we closed above our 21-week. Proceeded to make a monster move. I think this is about a 50% move from the time we break to the top. Let's take a look. So roughly about a month, 50% roughly. Even went a little bit higher than that. You can see our wick up here, 55, 56%. That's above here, not including the bottom move. Last time we broke it above, we still continued the move for another week above it. Break above it, we still continued the move for another week, and then consolidation and up again. So it's been a great, just going back the past, year, almost 2 years now. Anytime on the weekly chart, ETH BTC has broken this yellow line, which is our 21-week EMA, it's been great. Look back here again. Break it, another move. Break it, we're still going up. Even though this is a minor hill and we didn't do a whole lot, look, it's still a 20% move after you break that line. So if we close here on Sunday, you can expect this to continue. So where might we be touching this line at? Because this would vary greatly for prices against the USD valuation. I'm glad you asked. So look at our measured moves from the time that let's go first touch to first touch again. 154 days. Okay. Let's go this touch, first touch to the next first touch. 175 days. It's a little bit of a longer one. Let's try this again. First touch to the next first touch. 168 days. So about 150, 170, 170, roughly. So let's do like a 170 just to be conservative. First touch to when we could possibly first touch again. Now remember that first move was 150, so that puts us in June to the top of this. 170, 175, let's do right here. That's July. First, second week of July to reach the top of this against Bitcoin. That would ensue a 0.052190. See this level? So you take your price of Bitcoin, whatever the price is at that point in time. If Bitcoin were to stay constant, let's say Bitcoin's at 60,000, which it likely won't be, but just for ease of use here, you take your Bitcoin price, whatever it is, if Bitcoin's at 60K and we hit this level, that is a rough $3,200 Ethereum. It's over $3,000 Ethereum by July if we hit this. That doesn't mean we have to take to July to hit this. We can do it sooner, because you can see here that as soon as we break this, it's not long, 21 days. until it hit last time after the break, right? Let's see what this one was. This one took a little bit longer, right? So we broke here, and we didn't touch that line again for 77 days. So let's do 77 and then 25. So we can see the worst case, max case. So if it to repeat the last move, we could be looking at the end of April even before we hit when we hit this again, with a roughly 50% jump in prices. That would be pretty astonishing. We're still flirting with $3,000 even in this area, assuming Bitcoin stays kind of parked where it's at. If Bitcoin rises in price and is 70,000, this would be much higher Ethereum price, really 3,500. We could even approaching $4,000 Ethereum if Bitcoin rises to, you know, $65,000, $70,000, and Ethereum is hitting these levels up here. So you can see how Ethereum could get out of hand rather quickly. We want to watch this for the Sunday close. We still have 2 days, 10 hours. If this closes here, that's a good sign. I would get ready to buckle in for some liftoff here. So let's go ahead and look at Ethereum USD and see what we have. So this is just a simple clean chart. This is just our 21-day moving average. We're on the daily chart now. And look at the move. Look at this W pattern. W patterns are always bullish. Look at that. And we've broken. We are now, if we close today's candle, at the current level we're at, that would be our highest candle close of all time in Ethereum's history. You think that's bullish at all? Yes. The answer is yes. We've already broken our lid. Here's our lid right here. See the dotted line? I know it's probably tough if you're watching on a phone or something, so I can draw it a little bit nicer for you. So there's our lid from our previous all-time high candles. We even touched it again on our wick up here, and now we've broken it with a 1 daily candle, and now we have our second daily candle confirming today, hopefully, above 1958 level. If that happens, there's all signs are pointing to go here. If you need more signs, look at this. Let's clear this chart out. Hide the prices and just look at the moving average. We're at a new all-time high for the moving average. That's also a great sign out of any coin. You can pull this up, 21-day EMA. If you ever see your moving average at an all-time high, it's a good sign. Look at the formation. I mean, there's nobody that would look at this and say this is not super bullish. You don't even have to know what the coin this is. This is likely going higher in the coming days and weeks. I would foresee April to be a great month for Ethereum and most altcoins. As long as Bitcoin plays nice and the DXY plays nice, they can just stay put right here and altcoins will do fantastic in April. One final thought to watch for Ethereum USD. This is on a weekly timescale. This is our stochastic RSI. This is your momentum. If you see the blue on Sunday, this is likely going to update. Sunday night, 2 days, 10 hours, I think we had. When you see the blue line cross above, hopefully this is what we want to see, like this back here. We want to repeat this move, and we will see Ethereum rocket ships, as well as most of these coins that you see on the right. I would think most altcoins, if Ethereum repeats that move back here, look at this fantastic arrow. If this move repeats, you can bet your grandma that prices are going higher. We're already broken 2,000. All the signs are pointing to much higher prices in the coming days and weeks. Car of the day, Toyota Supra. Tricked out version. Show car. Nice engine. Shiny engine. Stereo equipment. Oh yeah. Hot Import Nights. Fast and Furious. I guess that era. Probably got this 20 years ago or so. Our quote of the day. All right, guys, thanks so much. Happy Friday. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great weekend. You know what to watch for. If you have Ethereum or want to get in Ethereum, watch for that cross. Good luck. Happy profits. Happy profits.